Hello and welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to create the collection in our Spring database. So to create the collection, just right click on the collections and add collection. And here we need to provide the collection name. So in our case, we are going to create the student collection. Now here, we don't need to provide anything else. Just click on the create and see student collection has been created. So it's not like SQL, when we are creating the table in SQL, we are defining the columns, we are defining the data types of the columns, we are giving the constraints, foreign keys and many things over there. But in the case of collection, we just provide the name of the collection. That's it. So you might be thinking how the fields will get handled inside the student collection. So that you will get the better idea in the next lecture, in which we are going to create the documents for the student collection. So now we have our student collection. So in the next lecture, we will see how to create documents under student collection. So we'll see you in the next lecture. Thank you very much.